Hi, I'm Bill Kowalczyk of the law offices of Michael J. O'Connor & Associates. I'm a workers' compensation attorney, and I'm here to talk to you today about when it's appropriate or necessary to hire an attorney in a workers' comp matter. When an individual gets hurt at work, the insurance company may very well voluntarily accept the claim. You may be being paid for being off work. You may have your medical bills being paid, and perhaps there's no problem. Nonetheless, you should at least seek the advice of an attorney who will tell you whether it's appropriate to hire that attorney at that time. And let me explain to you why. You don't necessarily always hire a workers' compensation attorney because you have to go to court. You often do have to go to court, and certainly if you're on comp and you've been served with papers that shows your employer has filed some action, has hired an attorney, you should obviously get your own attorney at that time. However, even before that happens, it may be necessary, and here's why. Just because a claim has been accepted doesn't mean they are following the Workers' Comp Act, doesn't mean that your rights are protected. Often we find that employers and insurance companies, when there's no attorney involved, will tell the injured worker things that are not true or not accurate about your rights. Certainly, when it comes to treatment, you'll find that when you first get hurt, often they want to have a nurse involved in your case, and they want to direct the treatment. They want to tell you what to do, where to go, and there are limitations on that in the Workers' Comp Act. Specifically, they should be giving you a list of doctors, not just telling you where to go. We can enforce that. That's one of the things you may need help with. Additionally, you may not be being paid the right amount. Under the Pennsylvania Workers' Comp Act, the amount that you're entitled to can be a very complicated matter, having to do with your wages over the last year, whether you have another job, things such as that. Your attorney can calculate it for you to make sure you're getting the right benefits under the Workers' Comp Act. Also, along the way, you'll find that there are steps in your workers' comp case when you're off of work that you have to make a decision, and it will be invaluable to have an attorney to help you make that decision. For instance, a lot of the insurance companies are only accepting these claims temporarily. It's called a Notice of Temporary Compensation Payable, and it only lasts for 90 days. After that 90-day period, they may stop your comp. So you may need an attorney to help prevent that or to help prepare for the day when they stop your comp, so that you can take the appropriate action. In summary, there are a lot of reasons to hire an attorney in workers' compensation. You don't have to be in court, but if you are in court, you should certainly call a competent workers' comp specialist to assist you with these matters.